place value. Reena is looking at these sticks. There are 5 sticks in the tens place and 3 sticks in the ones place. 5 tens and 3 ones make 53. The place value of 5 is 50 and the place value of 3 is 3. Reena takes a look at another set of sticks. There are 3 tens and 5 ones here. 3 tens and 5 ones make 35. The place value of 3 is 30 and the place value of 5 is 5. Reena now understands that place value of a digit in a number depends on the place it has in the number. Comparison of numbers. Arpit is learning about comparing numbers. His teacher Rita tells him, "Arpit, always remember that a number with more digits is always greater. If numbers to be compared have the same number of digits, we start comparing from the extreme left. We are going to learn comparing 2-digit numbers. First, we compare the digit at the tens place. If the digits at the tens place are same, then we compare the digits at the ones place. If they are also same, both the numbers are same. Let us learn with a few examples. We have 81 and 60. 8 tens is greater than 6 tens. So, 81 is greater than 60. Let us look at another example. Now, we have 62 and 64. 6 tens is equal to 6 tens. 2 ones is less than 4 ones. So, 62 is less than 64. Ordinal numbers. Asha is looking at the students standing in a line. She wants to know the order of the students they are standing in. Teacher Sara tells her, when objects are placed in order, one after the other, we use ordinal numbers to know their place or position. They have a different kind of number names to indicate the place of an object or a person. The student at the front of the line is the first student. After him is the second student. Next is the third, then comes fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, and so on. Asha now understands what the ordinal numbers are. Forming numbers. Ravi has 2 digits, 8 and 2. He wants to form all possible 2-digit numbers with these digits without repeating any digit. He forms 82 and 28. Ritesh also has 2 numbers, 5 and 7. He can also form 57 and 75 from the 2 digits 5 and 7 without repeating any digit. Odd and even numbers. Reena is looking at the flowers in her garden. There are 7 flowers in the garden. There are 3 pairs of flowers and 1 flower is left unpaired. Numbers from which we cannot form the exact number of pairs without any remainder are called odd numbers. So Reena can see that 7 is an odd number. Reena now tries to form pairs using 8 chocolates. When she forms pairs, she finds that after making 4 pairs, no chocolate is left unpaired. Numbers from which we can form the exact number of pairs without any remainder are called even numbers. So 8 is an even number. Teacher Rita tells Reena that even numbers have the digit 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at the ones place. For example, 40, 32, 14, 8, 16, and the odd numbers have the digit 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 at the ones place. For example, 9, 37, 15, 81, 23. Addition. Mary has 2 plates of laddus. One plate has 5 laddus. The other plate has 3 laddus. Mary wants to know the total number of laddus she has. She adds 5 plus 3 and gets 8. Mary has in all 8 laddus. Order of numbers in addition. Teacher Rita says that we can add numbers in any order. The sum will be the same. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 2 plus 6 is also equal to 8. Let me try with another set of numbers. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is also equal to 7. Teacher Rita also says that while adding 3 numbers, we can add the first 2 numbers first or last 2 numbers first. The sum will remain the same. Let us see this example. 2 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Also, 2 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Subtraction. Shyam wants to know what subtraction is. Subtraction means to take away from a collection. The minus sign is used to show subtraction. Let us see an example. There are 18 fish in an aquarium. Shyam took away 6 of the fish. How many fish are left in the aquarium? 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. So, there are 12 fish left in the aquarium. Count with chocolates. The chocolate has 12 blocks. You eat 1 block. How many blocks are left? You eat 3 blocks. How many blocks are left? You eat 6 blocks. How many blocks are left? You eat 7 blocks. How many blocks are left? Word problems. Robin is sitting in a room. There are 3 other people in the room. Robin walks out. Now there are 3 people. The gentleman walks out and now there are only 2 people left. Addition. Mary has 2 plates of laddus. One plate has 5 laddus. The other plate has 3 laddus. Mary wants to know the total number of laddus she has. She adds 5 plus 3 and gets 8. Mary has in all 8 laddus. Order of numbers in addition. Teacher Rita says that we can add numbers in any order. The sum will be the same. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 2 plus 6 is also equal to 8. Let me try with another set of numbers. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is also equal to 7. Teacher Rita also says that while adding 3 numbers, we can add the first 2 numbers first or last 2 numbers first. The sum will remain the same. Let us see this example. 2 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Also, 2 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 3-digit numbers. Sheetla was counting stars. He counted up to 100. Again, he started counting from 1. His father was also watching him. He asked him why he was counting again from 1. Sheetla replied that he knew counting up to 100 only. Let us help Sheetla to count beyond 100. Sheetla must know what 100 means. 10 groups of 10 stars each make 100 stars. Therefore, 10 tens are same as 100. 10 tens and 0 1 is equal to 100. This can be shown on an abacus. Numerals and number names. Isha wants to know how numbers can be written. Teacher Meeta tells her that numbers can be written in 2 forms. In words, number names, for example, 115, or in figures, that is, numerals, for example, 115, that is, 115. Place value in 3-digit numbers. Teacher Nancy tells me that the position of a digit in a number decides its place value, but I will have to see this. 825 is equal to 8 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 5 ones. Let me see one more example. 780 is equal to 7 hundreds plus 8 tens plus 0 1.
Comparison of numbers. Tommy Mouse is on the board to compare 3-digit numbers. His first set of numbers is 752 and 612. He compares the hundreds first. 7 is greater than 6. So, 752 is greater than 612. His next set of numbers is 459 and 461. Tommy compares the hundreds. 4 is equal to 4. So he compares the tens. 5 is less than 6. So 459 is less than 461. He now compares the third set of numbers, that is 326 and 323. Here the hundreds are equal, that is 3 is equal to 3. Tens are also equal. 2 is equal to 2. Toby compares the ones and finds 6 is greater than 3. So 326 is greater than 323. Good show, Toby.